my name is Ian Cornelius and I'm a senior at Perry High School. One thing I remember about my first day of high school was being excited to finally be in high school. I woke up that morning ecstatic. The most important non-academic lesson I learned in high school was that being positive is a component in every solution. Not only does the right attitude help you succeed, but it's contagious to those you come in contact with. One piece of advice I'd give to all freshmen is to get to know your teachers and your administrators. The adults in the building want to see you succeed, but they can't help you if you don't let them. Also, I'd encourage them to build a relationship with a custodian because they're some of the hardest working and fun-loving people in the building. I think graduation day is going to be a wave of emotions ranging from jubilant to nostalgic. I've made so many close friends and many great relationships with faculty. My plans for the future are to attend the University of Georgia and obtain my Bachelor of Arts in Music Education. And music is not only my passion, but it's what I use to serve the Lord. I'm Ian Cornelius and I'm the class of 2019.